Thutha wa wici wa ciringi bilioni 1.5 cia petrol guku bururi-ini, Cira wa mukuirwo Yagnesh Devani niuheanitwo gugathikiririo tariki mirongo iiri na itandatu mweri wa gatatu. Devani uria akoretwo riuriro-ini kuma mwaka-ini wa 2008 yatwaritwo igoti-ini ria Milimani mbere ya jaji munene Robinson Odieki kuria areganite na thitango ciothe 4 mweri-ini wa Januari mwaka wa 2024 riria athitangirwo.
Which my client is also in the accused parties, and it is scheduled for a ruling, which I believe is ongoing right now. And that is why my client is not in this court at this particular hour. It's not absent.
It is before Honorable Abdul?
Yes. The ruling was supposed to be delivered on the 8th of February, that is last Thursday, but it was pushed to today.
Thitango ici ciegie Devani na kambuni yake ya Triton Petroleum Company Limited ceumanire na uici, henania na uthamia wa indo iria cionekire thutha wa uteithio wa KCB.
That in this case the same exhibits that we are using in 1151. We are trying to isolate them, Your Honor. And once we are done with that, we will supply them to the defense. You know, I'm free for admission date in a month's time, so that we will be able to supply the statement and the exhibits, you know.
Matariri ate muhuri biashara ucio mari na uiguano na maafitha anene a thirikari mwaka-ini wa 2023 thutha wa kuma bururi wa London na guka guku bururi-ini kugira kimanjika kia mbeca. Kurikana na mwena wa thitango, Devani atwirire kambuni yake ya Triton kuhura biashara iyo.
And the mention is 26th for trial directions. All right. So you come back on 26th of March.
Yes, sir.
And then the hearing is on the 3rd of April.
Itariri ate kuri tariki 15 mweri-ini wa gatano mwaka-ini wa 2008 hamwe na mweri wa Disemba mwaka-ini ucio gicukiro-ini kia maguta gia Kipevu kaunti-ini ya Mombasa nikiairwo petrol muigana wa tani 418 gaturumo 1 iria yatariirio muigana wa $438. Ngiribotera Muthiki TV, Getwo Kingori wa Gatundu.
So find out